Let's talk about how to use blankets as a tool for our yoga practice. If you don't have a cushion or pillow available at home, you can always fold a blanket and sit right at the edge. It maintains that natural curl of the spine just like a cushion would do. Another option for using the blanket is during cat and cow stretches. A lot of times in cat and cow, the knees may feel discomfort being on hardwood surfaces or floors. And I love to have a sweet shavasana end, feeling very cozy and held. And I do this by using my blanket on top of the lower half of my body during shavasana.